Hi guys! Since Chinese New Year is closing in, I thought of sharing with you one of our Chinese dish favorites. It's the pork and shrimps siomai and wonton. In our 2 years of stay in China, I have seen and tried countless varieties of dim sums, to which siomai and wonton belong. They come in different tastes and different shapes, but they all taste really delicious. I know that there's a wide variety of recipes out there, different fillings, different ways of wrapping them, but I will share with you my way of preparing it. This recipe makes a family of 4 to 5's full meal, either for lunch or dinner. I usually prepare one filling, but I wrap them in two different ways. One is for the siomai, which is open on the top and steamed, and the others for the wontons, which are closed because they will be added to the soup. And first, we will start with what we need. To the ground pork, we will add the shrimps and then mix. Then add the onions. Add the spring onions. Then we will add the mushrooms. Add the carrots. Then the ginger. Add salt. Then soya sauce. Then add the sesame oil. Add ground black pepper. And finally, the egg. And then mix until all ingredients are well blended. And now we can start the wrapping. Wrapping can be a tedious task in the beginning, but as you do it more often, it will be easier and fun. Put 1 teaspoon filling on the wrapper. Put all corners of the wrapper together. Squeeze in the middle. Keep the top open and fold the edges to the side. That's it. we're going to wrap the wontons. There are different ways of wrapping wontons, but this way I learned it from our friend in Canada, Inai. She used to make these wontons for us. She made us really delicious wonton soup before. It was actually then when I started to have interest to learn how to make wonton by myself. Here we use egg white to stick both ends of the wonton together. Now we're going to brush the bamboo steamer surface with cooking oil so the siomai will not stick. And now we are ready to steam. Steam the siomai 15 to 20 minutes and they should be done. And they're done. For the wonton soup, you can use any soup base you like. You can add bok choy, spring onions, and then add the wontons into the boiling soup and wait until they're floating. It means they're done. And finally, they're ready to be served.